I am looking forward to try this one. I would definitely recommend this one. This is yummy.
Why? Because I'm a sushi lover. Are you? So welcome, Gabby here, and welcome to my channel again. So if you are not subscribed yet, please do and hit the like button and share button. That would be really appreciated. Yeah. So what are we gonna do today? So I am really excited yet curious of this dish because I keep on seeing this on Instagram, every social media. So I also have a friend have a restaurant in Lucena City, and she posted this on her Facebook, on her Instagram. So I am really curious. So knowing that my curiosity really can drive me into something, so I was like, okay, I have to make it. I was searching what's the ingredients of it, and after work, see, I still my working outfit. So after work, I quickly run to the supermarket and just take whatever I can take there, and it's kind of very basic stuff, really, because I don't really have those what you've seen on the videos, you know, or what you've seen on if you Google it or whatever. So I am going to make as basic. Of course, we are going to use whatever we have, whatever we can see. We don't need so much fancy stuff in the world because we can always cut and you can always make something good on what we have, right? So that's our goal. And what is the dish? So I keep talking a lot, but I never say what is that. So we are going to make a sushi bake. Why? Because I'm a sushi lover. Are you? So yes, I am a sushi lover, but today I am going to make a sushi bake. And yes, without these. Yeah, these, because this can be very messy. Yeah, if you don't know how to do it, it can be really a mess. And what is sushi bake? That's made me curious, really. So sushi bake is deconstructed sushi roll, and it's baked like a casserole. So yeah, so I was like, okay, this can be easy peasy. That's what we want, easy peasy life with very good food. So yeah, but I don't have, as I've said, ingredients wise is really limited in my area because I was looking for the roe. The roe is the egg of the fish, so the fish eggs, and I cannot find it here. So since I was looking on the internet where I can buy it here in my place, but the nearest I can get is in Amsterdam, so it's like 15 kilometers away from us. But no, I'm not gonna dare to do it. So I still have work tomorrow. So, and I want it now. And also these furikake, if I said it right, so correct me down in the comment below if I said it right or no. So this is basically furikake as it's rice seasoning. So it consists of seaweeds, chopped seaweeds, sugar, salt, and also what is that, like monosodium glutamate. Are you guys using that? I am not, so I will not take it away. And of course this tubiko, the fish egg, I don't have it, so we are going to use only what I have here. Okay, so I have some sushi rice. That is sushi rice, which we cannot make sushi rice without the rice. And okay, one more thing to explain. They have some crab meats and also shrimps and something like that. And also, but what I'm gonna use is salmon. Salmon, why salmon? Why not? Alright. So on the salmon itself, I've seen it that they're going to bake it and like crush it into small pieces, something like that. So instead of buying fresh and bake it by yourself again, I bake a can. So I bought this. I bought a canned salmon. Why not? So, and it's save electricity for not baking it. Is it a frugal? And of course, I have the seaweed here. So this one is what we need later. And this one I'm gonna use for the furikake. Yeah, okay. And of course, we have some mayonnaise. I didn't make my own mayonnaise today. See? And we have some sour cream here. And for the rice, we need some sesame oil and the vinegar. Yeah. Okay, so first and foremost, first I'm going to make the rice. Okay, let's go. So here I cook rice. It's 1 for 1. 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of water. Yeah. That's it. Put it aside, and let's go to the next one. So next we're going to make furikake, and we need some seaweed chop. Yeah. Okay. So next we're going to make my way, okay? Furikake. So we need the seaweed here. This one we're going to use it when it's already baked, of course. And we need salt. So basically it has dried fish, but I don't have dried fish here. So no, I'm not gonna look for something else. I have that is enough already. And some sugar, salt, soft seaweed, so sugar. So what I think it's more nicer when we're gonna put it on. Okay, we just mix it like that first, and some sesame seeds. So what I'm gonna do now is to put to make this furikake, which I don't have it, and the Asian shop is super limited, and they don't really have it. I mean, they like 20 kilometers away from us, Sylvine, where there is a Asian shop and Korean and Japanese stuff, and they have available all these thing that you need. But I'm not gonna go there this time, just for this one. So I'm gonna make my own. So it has salt, sugar, also the seaweed. The rice has to be room temperature, guys. So when it's done, you have to wait until the rice is perfectly cold, like room temperature, something like that. And we just have to prepare the other stuff before we are going to assemble it. So look. If it's enough. Oh, that's not really doesn't make sense. It's not working. We'll see. I just want the sugar and the salt will mix. And oh yeah, why not? It works a bit. Well done. So you pour it back here. Look at that. So look, it's sugar and salt will mix. So we can use that. And if you have dried fish, I don't know what type of dried fish, but danggit maybe. You can add our sesame here. Where's sesame? Is it? Oh, it looks authentic already, right? So look, it looks authentic already. So look at that. looks so good. It looks good. So, and they use MSG with that furikake, but I don't. So we just leave because we have some sugar and salt already. Plus we can add up a little bit of sesame. Why I'm so stingy? Really? Alright. So, okay, that is one is ready. And we are going to mix the salmon and some mayonnaise. And now we are going to open our can. This is the salmon cans, canned salmon. Right. We'll see what we have here. I never used this before. Okay. You can drain it. I never used this one before, guys. Alright. So in this side, you have this. Okay. But of course, guys, if you prefer the fresh one, you can get fresh one, of course. Okay. I think this is enough for like a big one, the big baking pan. You know, it's enough. But with this, I am using this for myself. No, it's just like I'm just trying it, right? If it's nice, then I will make more. No, it's also if I don't like it, then I waste everything of this. So I'll just make a little. I will take some of this because this is much, so I can put this one on my salad. Okay, that's it. And mash it. And this time we can put mayonnaise. Some mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise. So I have a video of making mayonnaise if you wanna see it. Oh, that was quite a lot. So a little bit of this sour cream. Okay, guys, if you cannot finish this one, you just put it on your bread, a sandwich, you know. All right. And if you like chili inside or sriracha, or you know, just drop it in. It's your choice. It's your personal choice. So, and yeah, I want to put sriracha, but I don't have. I forgot to buy, so then I don't put. Maybe a little bit more of fish. Yeah, a little bit more of the fish. So I am just tasting this food, how it tastes like. So if it is salt, I will put, of course, I'll put a little bit of salt. I am a very savory person, guys. So I want taste in my food. So if you have available shrimps, you know, normally I get my seafood and farmers market, but I don't have it available in my fridge, so I better use this one first. Or you can also mix shrimp, salmon, or if you have so much seafood in your table, bring it on. Just bring it in a bowl, put mayonnaise, put sriracha, put whatever you like. It's your food, so put it. Okay, so while we are waiting for our rice, look at that. We have our furikake here. We have some sesame seed inside. and also this, and we are waiting for the rice so it will fit here. Yeah, and so we are back with our cooked rice. Yeah, obviously. So we have vinegar here, vinegar and sesame oil. Okay. Okay, so this is good. Let's go and assemble it. Right, you can put it on top here. So we have this and the rice and the rice. Just press it gently. Alright, and then we get in. So we have this furikake here. Spread. Okay. And this one here. It's ready to put in the oven, but before that, since I have some seasoning that left, so I just sprinkle it on top. Okay, so it looks pretty for me already, like a garden. Look at that. So it's ready to be baked, and I'll just put it here. So just wait. Open it. Right. Oh, looks good. It looks good. So it's really time to try. So what I have here, as I've said earlier, we have some seaweed, of course, and I really like ginger. Time to try. I am looking forward to trying this one. Taste, but it is super warm. The rice underneath, yeah, it's warm. I would definitely recommend this one. This is yummy. So again, you can do and you can try whatever you want to put in there. That's your food. It's self-preference. Huh? It's sushi bake, of course. If you salmon or shrimp or crab meat, you can use it. You can do whatever you like. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will see you again.